is my normal screen. This is all pink and the icons have changed. It looks very pretty. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back here with another video. And this time it's a bit different because I am here with a tutorial video of this app, which is YPT. So first of all, what you have to do is go on Play Store and download this YPT app. Actually, it's a Korean app I got to know about. So just download it. It's not updated in mine, but okay, let's leave it. So let me show you how to use it. So this is the interface of this app. When you use it for the first time, it will have three subjects already, like mathematics, science, or English, I guess. So you have to add your subjects, the subjects which you study. So suppose there was I study mathematics, suppose. So what will I do? I will click on this plus subject icon. Then I will just write what subject I have to study, like mathematics, and we can also assign color to that particular subject. So if I want to choose blue, so then there are also different shades of blue, so I can just choose whichever I want, then done, and then again done. So yeah, this now this mathematics is added. Next, like whenever I have to add a particular task in which I have to in which subject I have to perform, like in chemistry I have to revise chapter 1. So for that I have to just swipe right or left on that particular subject, and then we can write whatever we have to do in that particular subject, like do numericals, and again we can write swipe, then I can just draw graphs or something. So this is how you make your to-do list depending on the subjects you have. Now if you want to delete a subject, then just click on the three dots of the particular subject and then delete subject. And if you want to edit it, then three dots and edit subject, and then you can edit it, change color, or whatever you want to do. Okay, so these are the subjects that I have. So yeah, and whenever you have to study, like suppose I am studying biology, so I will just click on this play wala icon and I'll just click on it, and it will redirect me to this interface where you can see how many people are studying. Like this is a group in YPT where so many students study together, and it is in a form of like competition type where everyone studies. And look, the orange icons means that they all are studying right now at the this particular moment they are studying, and these gray ones means they are not studying for now. Okay, and here are the time recording here, like this person studied for 5 hours, and this is mine. We get a square on our. So this is just how you can study. You can just turn this on and put your phone aside and study. Now suppose if you want to watch a YouTube lecture on your phone, then like if you just go on the home screen, it will not let you go. This screen will appear because during study time recording, like you can see here, only allowed apps can be used. Now if I go back to previous screen and I want to watch YouTube lecture, so here I will click, then I will go back to, like just stop this, and I will go back to the screen, and then I will click this icon, this 3 bars icon, and then here is allowed apps here. So I'll click on this, and then I can just choose YouTube app, and then it will be allowed on this phone, and I can just go to that app. Now if I search for YouTube, so yeah, here it is, and I can just click on this and it will be allowed for me to use. So yeah, YouTube is now an allowed app. Then I go back, I start studying again biology, then I click here on allowed apps. Then here are all the allowed apps that I have allowed. So if I want to open camera, like I record study vlogs, and also I have allowed these things and calls. And now YouTube, like if we click YouTube now, then we can use this. And yeah, so when you are studying, so this icon appears, and if you are using any of the allowed applications, then this phone icon is shown on the screen. Now this is your focus time, like when have you started a particular study session, this is how much you have studied the particular subject, and this is total time you have studied today. Now if I click here on to do, it shows me all the things that are pending, all the to-do list that we made. And if you complete all your tasks like chapter 3, chapter 4, revise chapter 1, do numericals, draw graphs, then this fire icon appears. That means your all tasks are done. So yeah, Next is this. If you click on more, then here are the things that you can choose, like white noise. If there is like noise where you are studying, so then you can just wear headphones and play this white noise. Next is calculator. If you don't want to like exit the app, so you can just click on more and then use calculator, stopwatch, timer and dictionary also. So yeah, in this books app option there is nothing much. You can just add a new deck or folder, and this is not really of much use, but yeah, you can add if you want. Now here are some details like study icon details. This icon means you have stopped studying less than 1 hour ago. This means using allowed apps. This means that you have studied for 3+ hours. This one means 7+ hours, and this one means you have studied for 10+ hours. Okay, now if you want like suppose this is a group of your friends, then if you are studying and you see that your friend has not yet started studying, then you can just click on that person's icon and then you can click on wake up, and this will send a notification to them that you have woken them up. So yeah, this sends a notification to them like this. Okay, now here you can see desk mode. So this mode is like only this focusing time will be seen and no other icons who are studying will be seen. So this will help you focus if you get distracted seeing those icons. Okay, now on the home screen there is like timer where this shows how much you have studied all the day, and this is not really of much use. Now this is insights, which shows you your insights like in different period, day, week, month and trend. Now this shows all your insights, like if this is of last 28 days. So total time I have studied 18 hours in these days. Daily average is my 3 hours, and yeah, this is my subject ratio that I study biology the most, chemistry, physics. Now if I go to day, then this shows my day's insights, like this whole color code means like 0+ hours, 4+ hours, 7+ hours, 10 or 12. So this shade means like I have studied 0+ hours, this shade means I have studied 4+ hours. And yeah, today my total time for now is like 2 hours 30 minutes. My maximum focus was 54 minutes. I finished 4:56 p.m. like I am making this video right now, sir, and I started this at 10:48 p.m. and yeah, this is how much I studied. I studied only biology today, and how much I studied, how much break I took. Okay, this is kind of like planner, and this is a timeline. Like I started studying at 10:48 a.m. biology, and I studied for 37 minutes. Then I took a break of 1 hour 42 minutes. Then I started studying biology again, a break, biology, break, biology. So this is a timeline of your whole day. Okay, now you can just see this as week insights, month insights and trend insights. So yeah, this just makes you know how much you are studying, and compare how much you have studied a day, then previous day, and in a week, in months. Like it makes you know how much you are studying. Now if these are the groups that we have. Okay, like if we click on, we are in home screen right now, and if we click on groups, then we can see how many groups we are in. Like this is my group which I made, study zone. Okay, now we can join more groups, we can create more groups. So for this you have to click on this plus well icon, and there are many groups here. Like you can just join any of them. Like suppose I want to join this one, then I'll click on that, and I can click on join group, and I'll be able to join that group. Now suppose if I want to create one group, then I will click on this plus icon, and I will enter my group name. Suppose study like 11th PCB. Okay, now if I want to make this group private, like only my friends or someone I know can join, then I can create a password and share it with them, and only they can join then. Okay, but if I want it to be public, like anyone can join this, then I will leave this option. Then I will choose category, like how which students should be there: primary school, secondary school, middle school, higher secondary, university, language study or others. So I'll just choose higher secondary. Then we can choose the daily time goal of that group, like this. Like suppose 4 hours per day should be the daily time goal. Capacity, like 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. So maximum is 50 people, so I'll just choose 50 people. Okay, then here we can describe the group like this, just okay. So yeah, and then I will just click on done, and this group is made. So nobody has joined right now, so when people will join, they'll just we can just study together. Okay, now we have 2 groups in this. Now if I suppose go here, and if we see this in the home, we just see all these, how many are studying, how many members are there. Now if we go on this attendance, then we can see which members started studying when and what is their attendance, are they studying every day or not. So it just gives you a attendance kind of thing, and this color code shows you how much you have studied that day. Like this shade shows like 7 to 10 hours studied. Now if we go to rankings, the third wala, then it shows the ranks of your group. Like this person has studied for on first, on second it's me, 12 30 minutes, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So it just shows you your ranks depending on how much you have studied. Here I can just invite any of, like, by copying link or sharing. Now this settings option, it has all of this, like your nickname, your name. If you want to change your name, just click on that and change it. Group notification settings, these are just normal settings. Your category, higher secondary, daily, your daily goal 3 hours. This group capacity is 50 people, and this group is private. Okay, so if you want to join this group, I will provide the link in the pinned comment, and the password is rivolilies. Okay, so, and if you want to wake up the groups, and then you can just click that. And group, we can also turn group chat here so that the people in the group can chat, but I have turned this off. And if you want to delete the group, then just delete the group by this option. Now on more, there is nothing much. This is just your status type of thing. You can add status here. Okay, like I don't have to do these things, right? So I can just delete that by clicking on it once. And then if you are done with this task, you can click this. If you are half done with this task, click this. If you did nothing of this, then click this. If you want to delete it, then delete it. So I want to delete it, so I just deleted this. Okay, this is just your planner, how you studied. Like I started studying at around 10:50, then I studied this much, then I took a break, and I started studying again, then I took a break. So yeah. Now there's one more thing. If you want it to be Pomodoro mode, like it makes you take breaks, and just switch it on. Now if you want to apply any theme here, like I once applied it, and just click on this theme settings and then customize theme. Okay, I once applied this theme, so let me just click this and then apply, and then you can just make any changes by here, but I don't want to, so I'll just click on done. Okay, now this is my normal screen. This is all pink, and the icons have changed. It looks very pretty. So and if I go there again, theme settings, and I'll change this color to suppose pink, and light shade of pink, and okay, then it will change like this. Like if I start studying biology, then these icons which were orange before, they are now pink. So this way you can also change the themes. And yeah, if you switch to desk mode like this, then to return, just click here again and return. Okay, now if I go there again, and I applied it before, so it was here, but if you haven't, then you just click here on the plus icon. And if you have to make a theme, then just click here, and you can just make this upload pictures and like change background if you have to make your self theme. Okay, but I'm too lazy to do that, so I'll just cancel this, and instead of that I will click here and I will search already made themes. Okay, so these are the themes which have been made already. So suppose I want to choose this one, then I'll just click on this, then I can save this. Okay, now it has been saved. Then I go back, and then again customize theme, and now I have this here. Okay, so let me just click on this, then apply. Okay, so I just applied this theme, right? So I can only apply this one after 24 hours, so I cannot apply this right now, but yeah, this is how you can do it. You can also change font from here, change font, and these are the available fonts. Like if I want to choose this font, then I will just click here, then I'll click done, and yeah, this is the fonts are changed. Okay, the font, I don't really like font, I just like the default ones like this. Okay, so I'll just change the default. Now when you go back, like suppose you have been studying here, now if you go back, if you start studying again, like I just studied biology, so I'll just click here. Okay, now this thing comes here, and it shows you how much break you have taken, like 4 minutes 7 seconds for now. So you can just add click on why you took a break, like you had your meals, or you had some rest, you went to the bathroom, or you like some other. These are the default ones. Some other you can just add them, like I added the chores well option, so you can just add that from edit tags. Like if I edit tag and I suppose I have to add some, then I'll just click on this plus option, and suppose I add a break tag like a nap. Okay, so I'll just, and then okay, then this nap option is added, and then I can just click on the nap, so it will be saved that for 4 minutes I took a nap. Like just for example, like for 4 minutes I did some chores, so I'll just click on the chores well option. Okay, now if you just stopped this timer by mistake, then you can just click on don't record break, like you didn't take a break actually, so just click on don't record. This actually why this thing happens is because when you go on your insights and the day, and this it helps you in this timeline. Like if you add the breaks, then it shows you had your meals this time, some other thing chores, so that's why this thing comes. And if when you stop studying, then this timer goes on, like how much you are, for how much time you are on break, so this timer starts when you stop studying. Okay, so concluding this app has really helped me. Like whenever I start studying, I just start this timer. Whatever subject I study, I just start the timer, then I see other people studying, then I get motivated. Like suppose this person has studied for 5 hours, then I want to be at this position. I don't want to be here, I want to be at the top 4. So I study a lot by this thing, and I think this is motivating for others to, like watching everybody else study, so you also start studying. Okay, so this is like really helpful. It makes you compete. And look, I made that group, right? I made this new group here. So when I'm studying in this group, when I start studying, every group will be seen here. Okay, like whenever I swipe right, this is one group, study zone. Swipe right, there's another group, and swipe right, there's this default group. Okay, so this just shows you how much everyone is studying and how much you are studying. So whenever you study, you can just turn this timer on. It will also help you see your progress, your like how much you are studying, and it will help you study more by competing with others. So it will basically benefit you. Okay, and whenever you are studying and you want to, like you are distracted, so you just turn off this app, then it will not let you, this screen will appear, and then you'll be like, okay, let me just study. Okay, so it also saves you from distractions. So I guess this is a really good app for studying, and I will recommend you this. I also found this like a week ago, and I found this like very helpful for me, so I just suggest you this too. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and do try this app. And if you want to join my group, 18 people have joined so far, so if you want to join my group, then I'll give you the invite link in the comment, and the password is rivolilies. So just join that if you want to. And if you have a group that you have made on this app and you want me to join, then just comment your invite link. I'll definitely join that group. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and share it with your friends. And yeah, take care and bye.